By doing this, you can stop your child from telling lies. Problem that most parents face is their children lie. They don't understand why they lie and what they can do to stop it. In this video, we will tell you 3 common reasons why your children are lying and what we can do to stop this. For more useful videos, subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Avoiding punishment. Children often lie to avoid getting in trouble. It's crucial for them to create an environment where they feel safe admitting their mistakes. Seeking attention. Children may lie to seek attention. Sometimes they may feel overlooked and think lying will make them more noticed. Feeling insecure. Children may lie to boost their self-esteem or to fit in with peers. It's important to reinforce their values and achievements. Instead, what we can do in these kind of situations? Stay calm and avoid overreacting. But most of the parents do the opposite of this. Without scolding your child, please talk about the importance of honesty. Thank you.